In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Project. A Gantt chart is a visual timeline of your project, showing each task as a horizontal bar with a start date, a duration, and a finish date. It's the default and most common view in Microsoft Project, which makes it a great place to build and communicate your schedule. Start by opening Microsoft Project. You can open an existing project file if you already have one, or create a new blank project. If you're starting fresh, you'll be prompted for basic scheduling details like the project start date. Set that so your timeline lines up with your plan from day one. Make sure you're looking at the Gantt chart view. Go to the View tab and select Gantt chart if it isn't already active. On the left, you'll see a task table. On the right, the timeline area where the bars will appear. In the Task Name column, begin entering your tasks. For each task, add a duration. Use simple shorthand like 5D for 5 days. Start and finish dates will calculate automatically based on the project start and the duration, but you can enter specific dates if you need to. If a task depends on another, add that link in the predecessors column by referencing the prior task. As you type, you'll see the bars appear and stretch across the timeline on the right. To explicitly show dependencies, select the tasks that should follow one another and, on the Task tab, click Link Tasks. You'll see arrows connecting the bars to indicate the relationship. By default, this creates a Finish to Start link, which tells Project that one task must finish before the next begins, keeping your schedule logically aligned. You can fine-tune the chart's appearance so it's easier to read. Right-click the timeline and adjust the timescale to zoom in or out. Switch between days, weeks, or months, depending on how much detail you want to see. On the Format tab, you can change bar colors and patterns to highlight key work or simply match your team's style. If you want labels directly on the bars, open Bar Styles under the Format options and choose to display task names or dates so important information is visible at a glance. A few quick tips before we wrap up. The Gantt chart view usually opens by default when you create a new project. If the chart area looks squished or hidden, drag the vertical split bar to widen it. And when you're preparing to present your plan, consider using the Gantt chart wizard, which you can add to the ribbon, to quickly apply formatting and choose what details appear on your bars.